In this video, I will be showing you how to make a postcard in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin on the Canva homepage by clicking into the search bar and typing postcard. After hitting enter, I'll scroll through the results to find the perfect layout. I'm looking for something classic, so I'll select this vintage minimalist travel template. Once the preview opens, I'll click Customize this template to jump into the editor. Now that the editor has loaded, I want to change the theme from Japan to Sydney. I'll navigate to the Elements tab on the left and search for Sydney. I'll switch over to the Photos section. Once I find a beautiful shot of the Sydney Opera House, I'll drag it directly onto the existing photo to swap it out instantly. To add more detail, I'll go back to the Elements search bar and type Sydney stamp. I'll click on the Graphics tab to see the illustrated options. I'll select a purple circular stamp, resize it down, change the color to red, and place it over the corner of my photo. I'll also check out the magic recommendations for similar items. I'll pick another Australia stamp, change its color to a deep red to fit the design, and move it to the top left of the photo. Next, I'll focus on the postage stamps in the top right corner. I'll search through the graphics for a more authentic vintage Australian stamp. I'll select one featuring a portrait, resize it, and move it into place over the original stamp. I'll right-click it and use the layer settings to send it backward, ensuring it sits behind the postmark lines. While I'm at it, I'll browse for one more decorative stamp. I'll choose a floral design, scale it down, and place it right next to the first one for a more realistic layered look. Finally, I'll personalize the signature by clicking on the name at the bottom. I'll delete the existing text and type in Hazel SI. With a few final tweaks to the positioning of my elements, the design is complete. Now I have a professional-looking custom travel postcard ready to share or print.